National Hurricane Center just put out the 8 a.m. update for Hurricane Michael, now a Category 2 hurricane with winds of 100 miles per hour, moving northwest at 12, still expected to make landfall in the Florida Panhandle as a Category 3 major hurricane by tomorrow afternoon, and then moving quickly off to the northeast as a tropical storm through the Carolinas and off the coast. We're going to see that storm move well west of us, but plenty of moisture still coming in. 50% chance for rain today, 70% tomorrow.